Enjoying a peaceful evening at the office. You've just finished your work for the day. It's time for a well-deserved break. As you prepare yourself a comforting cup of coffee, take a moment to relax and plan your evening ahead. Suddenly, the calm is shattered. You hear panicked voices and the alarming shout of fire in the office area. Footsteps rush past and a loud crash follows as something heavy, a cabinet perhaps, falls and blocks your primary exit. Your heart races. It's time to act. Remember, time and air quality are critical. Keep an eye on the CO2 level and the timer on the wristwatch. Notice the smoke coming from the office area. Remember, your first action in a fire situation is to alert others. Locate and activate the fire alarm. Now we need to call emergency services. Raise your wristwatch to make a call.
Emergency services, what's your emergency?
Hello, I need to report a fire.
Where is the emergency?
4489 Park Street, an office building.
The fire brigade is on the way. Evacuate and make sure everyone leaves the building.
Now let's try to exit safely. Check the emergency exit in the kitchen. The exit is locked, a common issue in emergencies. Stay calm, look for another way out. Try the glass doors to the office area instead. Obstacles ahead. Locate the emergency glass hammer to your right and use it to break through the glass doors. You've entered the office area. As you assess the All right, let's tackle the fire. Break the seal tag and pull the pin from the fire extinguisher. Aim at the base of the fire and sweep side to side. Great job. Now head to the exit. Keep low to avoid smoke inhalation. Congratulations, you've completed the fire safety and emergency training. Great job. Grab the trophy and celebrate your achievement. Stay safe and keep up the good work.